Hey y'all, welcome back to the shop. Today we got this Craftsman YS4500 here in the shop. We're going to fix it up and maybe not piss the neighbors off anymore. I'll give you the backstory here in a second. Alright guys, backstory on this is, got it in, guy told me the story, thing runs beautiful, cuts beautiful, dries beautiful, you know, starts right up, everything. It's pissing his neighbors off. He said a feller, you know, can't go out and have a few adult beverages and decide to mow his grass, and, you know, being it's 11 o'clock at night, exhaust leak, yeah, I can see how that pissed the neighbors off a little bit, but it is what it is. Don't bother me none. So let's get this hood off here, and we'll show you how to get this thing to quiet down a little bit. Bring you right back. Alright y'all, this is one of the easiest hoods to get off, you know, the new style tractors here. Just basically tip it forward. Over here on the side over here, you'll see the lights coming from the headlights, or wires coming from the headlights. Just unplug that, reach down, kind of lift up, hood lifts right off. So, like I said, that's one of the easiest hoods to get off. The exhaust is over here. The exhaust leak is over here. We'll bring you around over this side. We'll show you what we got going on. All right, y'all. Like I said, I got that hood off there. Showed you. Here's the issue. If I can zoom y'all in a little bit, get you a little better picture here. Right there. This is your exhaust flange. Here's your exhaust pipe coming down. Ain't no wonder the neighbors be all pissed off. I mean, that's running an open header. Not that I'm opposed to open headers, but you know, 11 o'clock at night, yeah, you know, mowing for a while, it might piss your neighbors off. So, not to mention that spark plug wire is right down here. It doesn't appear that it's done any damage to the spark plug boot, but you know, it is what it is. But there is a bolt missing out of it. I'll have to get a bolt. But what you need to get it apart is a widen your bag out here. All right. What you need is a 1/4 inch Allen. You can use an Allen wrench. I just happen to have the socket. These have cap screws on them, and this bolt down here, it's on the valve cover. It's 3/8. So I'm gonna get this here pulled out of here. Alright, there's that. And I already got the gasket. There's a little gasket that goes in it. Ordered this off that Jungle site there. So before I get this put in there, let me go grab a bolt to put in this other hole. So we'll bring y'all right back. Alright y'all. I didn't have another Allen head screw or cap screw, so I just got a regular 5/16 bolt put in there, and I'm going to try to do this without dropping this gasket. There we go. So we can get that one started up in there. Hopefully it clears the exhaust pipe. It feels like it's going to. Maybe. Uh-oh, the struggle was real, bro. There we go. We got her. Now, you guys can't see, but the gasket kind of dropped down a little bit. Just kind of push that back up in there with your fingers. I'll put this back on the end of my Allen socket. Get her threaded back in there. She's threaded in there nicely. Got my ratchet here. Just give that a little snug. Kind of bring that up there a little tighter. Of course, I didn't grab a wrench. Yep, there we go. Alright. I should have grabbed the socket for this too, but I just grabbed a wrench. If I didn't mention, this has the 20 horse Briggs and Stratton overhead valve, 20 horsepower. Alright, got that one nice and snugged up. There's that one snugged up. And this is a 3/8 socket. Tighten that bolt up down here. Alright. There it is, guys. Super simple, super easy. You know, none of this stuff that we ever do here in the garage is real hard. You know, for the motor repairs and stuff, this is all stuff that anybody can do at home. You know, if you want to come pay me, that's fine. Come pay me. I'll take the money. But you know, a few simple hand tools. A lot of this stuff, you know, you can do at home. You know, just need to know what you're looking for, and you know, like I said, I got that off the Jungle website, but you can go to a small engine dealer and, you know, pay $2, $3, $4 for it and get it from them and bring it home and put it on for yourself. So, okay, another short video, guys. I know the Sand Pro was a kind of long, drawn out thing, so I've been trying to do some smaller, quicker videos here. This one does have the quick drain oil plug on it there, I see, but I'm not going to worry about that because, hey, you know, if it's not leaking, I ain't worrying about it. So, yeah, I think that's going to end it. I'm going to throw the hood back on it, give her a start, and I know she's going to be quieter because, you know, we're not running an open header anymore. So, appreciate it, and, you know. Alright, y'all, there you go. Another quick, easy fix here from the garage. Hopefully this thing's going to be ready to go out and mow some grass and maybe not piss the neighbors off. Of course, you know, if you're mowing 11 o'clock at night after having a few adult beverages, I think that might still just piss the neighbors off. But, hey, whatever. It's not me. You paying me to fix it, I'll fix it. You know, don't matter what you're, you know, doesn't matter your neighbors to me or not. So, alright, we're going to call it fixed there. Appreciate y'all stopping by, checking out what I'm doing here in the garage. If you like the video, please hit that thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button over there and ring the bell, get all the notifications, everything we do out here in the shop. And don't forget to check out my weekly live stream Sunday nights at 7 p.m. It's not always talking about repairs or anything, it's just basically life in general. Hang out, catch up with all the friends. If you do have any questions, you can ask them live right there. So, you know, just stop in and say hi. Make sure you're on the YouTube side, because I do stream it to Facebook. But a lot of times I can't see the comments on Facebook, but it is what it is there. So, alright. Till the next time, guys, take it easy and keep mowing. Catch you later. Alright, guys. Show you how to take this hood off here. Just lean it forward. There's a plug down here on the left hand side, or right hand side of the tractor. Left hand if you're looking at the front of it. I've already got it unplugged, and you know, it's super easy. Just, you know, grab hold of it, lift it up off there. Just lift it up off there. Come on. Alright. Yeah, just lift it up off there. Yeah, now, let's try that again.